If you want to log into ChatGPT quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get signed in, whether you're using Google, email, or another supported method. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it super easy to follow. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once the page loads, look for the Login option on the screen. You'll usually see a button that says Login or Sign In, and that's the one you want to click. After that, ChatGPT will show you the different ways you can access your account. At this point, choose the method you normally use to sign in. For example, if you're using Google, like I am in this tutorial, go ahead and click Continue with Google. If you use another method, you can select that instead, but the process is very similar either way. Once you click Continue with Google, a Google sign-in window will appear. Here, select the Google account that is connected to your ChatGPT profile. If you're already signed into Google on your device, you may just need to choose the correct account from the list. If not, you may need to enter your email and password first. After you confirm your Google account, ChatGPT will verify your login and take you into your dashboard or chat screen. Once you're in, you're fully logged in and ready to start using ChatGPT. From here, you can begin asking questions, generating content, or using any of the features available to your account. If you ever get stuck, just remember the basic flow. Open ChatGPT, click Login, choose your sign-in method, and continue with Google if that's the option you're using. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to log into ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.